Hello everyone, today I will show you how to troubleshoot your Serenelife portable air conditioner if it's not cooling properly. First, let's ensure the unit is receiving power. Check that it's plugged into a functioning outlet and that the cord is free of any damage or loose connections. Of course, make sure the unit is switched on. Next, let's check the air filter. This is usually located on the back or side of the unit. Remove the filter and give it a good wash with water and a mild detergent. Let it dry completely before putting it back into the air conditioner. If it's still not cooling, try resetting the unit. Unplug it from the power outlet, wait for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. See if that kickstarts the cooling process. Now, if your unit has been running for a long period or if it was accidentally tipped over, there's a chance the refrigerant might have leaked. In this case, it's best to contact a qualified HVAC technician to check and replenish the refrigerant levels. Sometimes the problem lies with the evaporator coils. These can get clogged with dust and dirt. You can clean them using a soft brush or a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment. Let's take a look at the thermostat. Ensure the temperature you've set is lower than the actual room temperature. Also double check that there's nothing obstructing the airflow from the thermostat to the unit. Another component to inspect is the condenser coils. You'll find these on the outside of the unit. Clean them gently using a soft brush or a low-pressure jet of water. Airflow is crucial for your air conditioner to work efficiently. Make sure there's nothing blocking the airflow from the unit. Check that both the air inlet and outlet grills are clear and unobstructed. Finally, if you've gone through all these steps and your Serenelife portable air conditioner is still not cooling, it's time to call in the professionals. Contact a qualified HVAC technician for further assistance. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.